In this video, I'll show you how to export Salesforce CRM data to Excel step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're signed in, go to the Reports tab where you can access all of your saved reports. Next, open the report that you want to export. For this tutorial, we'll use the Contacts report as an example, but you can export any report you need. The process remains the same regardless of the report you choose. After opening the report, locate the inverted triangle next to the Edit icon and click on it to open the Additional Options menu. From the drop-down, click Export. You'll now have the option to choose either Formatted Export or Details-Only Export, depending on how you want your data to be exported. Before you proceed, make sure the selected file format is .xlsx, which is the standard Microsoft Excel format. Once everything is set, click Export. Salesforce will generate the file and your report data will be downloaded as an Excel spreadsheet. And that's how you can export Salesforce CRM data to Excel.